Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. We are here going to do some dumpster diving and I'm bringing you with me. It is currently for me Saturday, Thanksgiving was Thursday, so the trash pickup days are going to be a little different this weekend. So hopefully that works in our favor. Let's check it out. It's like the back of a picture. That would have been nice. Check the other side out. I have found a ton of these before. It's taped, but I'm going to grab those and I will show you how many I saved later. There's a whole bunch of envelopes right there. I'm not going to take those though. Alright, that's it in that dumpster for me. Just these, which I have to go through. Dollar store is right there. So, I'll just bring it with me. It is looking very, very full. Sometimes that makes for hard diving because it's very tricky to dig around. You didn't even open their thing. Huh. This looks like someone's dumping, honestly. And it smells like someone's dumping. Because it smells like Thanksgiving. So I'm going to leave that alone and I'll see you guys at the next stop. Guys, I'm at a new grocery store. And look at all this meat. It's hard to see because it's dark outside, but this is all chicken and ground beef. I'm going to grab some. Okay, I just wanted to show you what I grabbed from that grocery store dumpster real fast before I put it away and properly store it. So unfortunately, I do not have a deep freezer. I just don't have room in my house right now. Plus, it's a rental, so that... whatever. So I just have a regular sized freezer, and it's quite full already, so I couldn't take a lot of it, unfortunately. But what I did end up taking back here is I have about 18 pounds of ground beef. And altogether, this was over 50 pounds of ground beef right here. So I got 5 of these smaller packs and then 1 bigger one. They did try to mark them down, but obviously nobody bought them. Everything, the chicken and the ground beef, is all dated for 11/29. Today, for me, is the 30th. So these were dated for yesterday. As long as I get them frozen or used by today or tomorrow, they should be just fine. And then I have about 8 pounds of chicken. 3 of these thin sliced chicken breasts. And then 2 of these, same thing I think. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So, lots of meat here. There was probably, honestly, 100 pounds of ground beef or more. I just couldn't take any more. Plus, the delivery truck came right as I was walking away, so I guess I got kind of lucky there. This is a new store. It's not a new store. It's a store that recently opened up, and obviously they are throwing out so much. You could see I could barely even get those doors open. So the waste is just unreal. But I'm glad I saved this. I do hate the thought of, you know, them slaughtering animals just to be thrown away, let alone the food waste. But this is what I saved from the grocery store. So I'd say that's a pretty good haul for me today. All right, let's carry on diving here at the stop that I've already showed you in this video. But for me, it's been a few days. So, alrighty, definitely some stuff. Oh, can you guys hear that? Oh man. So there's like a train or something. Okay, that's awesome. I think we might have a bunch of these. It's a little bit wet from the other ones. Yeah, that started leaking. There's like a train in here or something. Alright. So 2 more right here, and then a whole bunch right here. Can you guys see that? That's a good find. I don't know what is making that noise. I have no idea. Alright, I'm gonna grab these in just a second. But we also have another one of these. Oh, that one's broken though. I might not take that. Let's check the other side. Some sort of spice. Looks like we got a bunch of broken ones though. Sage. I'll still take some of those. Oh, he's broken. It's broken. It's broken. Yeah, both of those are broken, so I'm not going to take those. I already have some. What's this? Oh, that's cute. Just some broken glass. That's easy. That's broken. Used vacuum. Alright, I don't know what was making that noise. But I'm gonna take some of that sage and go back and get those cleaners from that side. Alright, that's it here. Same strip mall, same super full dollar store, but this bag right here looks like Thanksgiving cards. So let's check. Yeah. Oh man, so many. I actually have a lot from last year still. I might not take any of these. They have started throwing the cards and envelopes out separately, which is silly, I think. Oh, the envelopes are right here. I'm gonna grab some of these. And this box is full. Okay, it's at a really awkward angle, like it's about to tip over, but there's like a mini tree skirt right here. I'm gonna have to take that down. So I'm gonna right now grab a bunch of envelopes because I find cards a lot without the envelopes. And then maybe I'll grab some cards as well and check that box out. Alright, this is the pharmacy. Let's take a peek over. Well, looks like it was recently emptied. So nothing good in there, but we'll keep checking. For me, it is now Tuesday. I just keep bringing you guys along with me. So this is for sure the last day I'm going to be doing this particular live dive. I got to end it. But it's snowing / raining / sleeting a little bit. And we're here at the pharmacy. Those are empty. What's that? There's like a planner over there. Okay, there's definitely some stuff in there. And down here as well. I think there might be another box too. So I'm gonna grab some. So I got 2 boxes full of stuff, and this is what I am leaving. There's like some condoms and jellies and stuff like that that I don't need, and a few other things. So hopefully somebody else grabs these. We're at another pharmacy right by the door, but the dumpster is filled with drinks and like spritzers and stuff. At the very bottom, and there's a bag right there. But I would have to get in, and I am nervous about that. So I will see what I do. Our next stop, and I've already taken a peek, and there's definitely some salvageable stuff in here. Like this tiered tray. Looks super pretty. So I'm gonna see what I can grab. Alright, so that last stop I didn't find as much as I thought I was going to, but we're at the same store, different location. That looks like a nice cutting board. I'll have to look. Possibly something in that box. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my grabber. I'll keep you guys updated. Unfortunately, these things are smashed. Alright, we're hitting our last two stops here, and this store unfortunately likes to destroy things, but I do have this, which I think is salvageable because there's pieces down here for it. And potentially a rope that's destroyed too. So I'm just gonna try to save this. Alright, I did some more digging. And look how sad. That would have been so pretty. It said, "Oh Holy Night." Of course, they destroyed it. Alright, we're gonna check our last store here. And after that, I will show you the little recap. There's boxes on that side. That looks like it might have been a table at one point. Yeah. That definitely got ran over. Nothing for me to save in there. Alright, let's go through the recap on all that I found. I got some good stuff, so let's just dig in. Starting down here, I didn't take everything out of the box, but this is from the pharmacy. I have a whole bunch of nuts, little snacks like that, granola bites. I have quite a few of these laxatives. A few donuts. There's quite a few little beef sticks, which are great snacks. And quite a few of these gluten-free bars. And then I have a few left in this box, but I took some out. Let's see, I have three left in the box of various brands of white strips. Actually, 4 in the box. I have some popcorn, some chocolate-covered pretzels, just a box of fun snacks. Like, I'll keep things like nuts, but everything else will be donated. And then the other box from the pharmacy, here's the rest of the whitening strips. So I have 4 here and 4 in the box. I have 8. Some are the CVS brand, which is the pharmacy I go to. Some are Crest. And then I have this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Other box from the pharmacy, some more whitening kits. I ended up getting some personal lubricant, which I didn't really want, but you saw the rest that I left. A thermometer, that's awesome. A whole bunch of these organic multivitamins. Some pre and probiotics, some more little treats down here, some more pistachios. What's this? PMS relief, there you go. Some beef jerky, this cute little blender thing. And then 2 things I'm excited about. This is a whole bag of chapstick. It looks like it's strawberry flavored. There's quite a few in there, if you guys can see. I love finding big things of chapstick. And then this bag of Eclipse car gum. Polar Ice is my absolute favorite kind. It's from September, but it's gum, so that doesn't really matter. So that's it from the pharmacy. Some great finds there. You saw me find these. I have 7 of these foaming glass cleaners. From the same store, I got this super cute nautical clock. I can almost guarantee that it'll work. It just has a crack in the glass, which you can't even really see in the video, so that is no big deal whatsoever. This piece I ended up taking, and I did get the other pieces. However, there's still 1 slat missing, and it's in a little worse condition than I was thinking. So, unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to try to save it. I am going to take the hardware off, though. And I do have this one right here. I don't have that one. But if you remember, I found something that needed a hook similar to this, so I might, a while ago, so I might put that on there. But this store, it used to not destroy, which is what makes it hard for me because I used to find tons of good stuff there. I'm just hoping that it's a phase and they will not destroy things again in the future. From the dollar store, I have a few, well, quite a few envelopes here. I didn't end up taking any of the cards, just some of the envelopes. And then I have, oh, these are also from the pharmacy, 2 adorable little doggy pajama sets for Christmas. So, I don't have a dog, but maybe someday. Back to the dollar store, I have 2 of their little tiny trees, and then 1 tiny tree skirt, so that's cute. I think that's it from the dollar store. Then I have this little mug. It says grateful, thankful, blessed. It does have a little chip right there, but it says the same thing on the other side with no chip. So I could put this out next year for Thanksgiving, put like a little pumpkin topiary or something in it, and use it as decoration, and I think it's awesome. Now, I think this is my favorite find this haul. This is a marble. I'm fairly certain it's actual marble, and it's a Lazy Susan. It spins. So that is awesome. I would not have been able to get this out of the dumpster if I didn't have my big fishing net. So I definitely recommend that to keep in your car, because there's no way I would have been able to grab this with the grabber. It's way too heavy and way too thin. So that's awesome. And then the last, oh no, I didn't tell you this yet. This is the first thing I found. I'm not going to take it out because I've already gotten glass everywhere more than I wanted to. But you're just going to have to trust me. These 3 are broken, these 2 are not. So I have the small bowl and the semi-small bowl with their lids that are still fine. And the last thing is this tiered tray. I think this is awesome. I've been finding tiered trays a lot recently, but this one I think might be my favorite. This part is obviously broken, but I should be able to fix that with some strong glue. And then the rest is solid with this cool galvanized metal look in the wood. So I really like that. And all in all, I think this was a pretty good haul. So thank you guys for tagging along with me. I'll see you soon, of course. I'm already gathering things for my next haul. I have a whole front seat full of fun things. So I'll see you then. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And tune in for my next one. Thank you.